Hello, my name's Anita Doran from Refill My Candles, and I'm going to show you today how to make a beautiful hand-poured natural soy wax candle dressed with some lovely dried flowers using our Refill My Candles kit. And basically here today I'm going to show you how to make this tumbler jar here, which is a 250ml size candle. And inside the kit you will receive 600 grams of soy wax, which will make 3 of this size candle. So 3 times 250ml candle with 1 bag of our premium soy wax. So you need to take your soy wax and measure exactly how much you need and place it into the jug. Then all the instructions of how much wax you will need is inside the instruction leaflet. So it's really, really simple to calculate, and it's very, very easy to understand. We have graphs and charts with all step-by-step instructions and showing you exactly how to measure and how to calculate how much wax you need and how much scent you need. So it's really, really simple and easy to follow. So you then take your soy wax flakes, which are beautiful white, soft, lovely soy wax, 100% soy with nothing else, just soy wax. And they are beautifully soft flakes that are vegan, environmentally friendly, and very, very easy to work with. So this wax is actually for container candles only. So take your wax and then you pop it into the microwave. This wax will melt in the microwave. It's one of the only waxes that will. So it makes the whole process super simple and very, very quick. So you take your wax and you pop it in the microwave for about 4 minutes, and it will melt down to a beautiful golden color, which is very much like this. Very similar to olive oil, and it's really, really easy to work with. So you take your wax, and then now all you will need to do is add in your fragrance. So one of our fragrance oils here is Opulent Sun, which is absolutely beautiful. So you take your fragrance oil and measuring with your measuring cup how much you need to add in. We generally say about 8% for a 250ml size candle. But again, all the instructions and all the charts are actually in the instruction leaflet, which give you everything you need to be able to make this lovely luxury candle. Now, all you need to do then is just leave it to set for a minute or two and give it a good stir, and make sure that you bind the fragrance oil with the wax so that you get an even smell throughout the whole burn of the candle. So you take your stir and just give it a good stir for a couple of minutes, just making sure that it binds with the scent and also giving the wax time to just cool down before you pour it. Okay. Whilst the wax is cooling down, you can then take your wick and your wick holder and pop that inside like so. And you have to press it quite firmly because they are very sturdy, these wick holders. Then you take your double-sided sticker, peel off one side, stick it onto the bottom, and then peel off the other side. And then you place that in the center of your container and just press it in quite firmly, but they do stick really well. And if for any reason you misjudge it and you don't actually stick it into the center, you can then just pull the wick out and move it from side to side, depending on where the central point is. So there we go. Then take your wax and pour it in between the wick and the edge of your container, trying to make sure that you don't splash or spill anything to the sides there, so you get a nice even finish. And before you pour it, it is a good idea to just place your container somewhere where it won't get knocked or moved, and then you won't have any sort of wax residue on the top sides there. You'll have a nice, clean, professional, finished candle. Leave that to set now for, it will start going white in about an hour. It will look, well, maybe an hour or so, it will look white, but it will not set inside for about 6 hours. So try not to move it. Ideally, leave it overnight if you can, somewhere where it's, again, not going to get moved or knocked about. And that's as simple as it is. These candles will burn, for this one particularly, will burn about 55 to 60 hours. Non-toxic, beautiful scent, absolutely gorgeous handmade candles that will last you a long, long time and smell amazing. Now I'm going to show you if you would like to decorate the top of it, similar to these ones here, that are beautiful. We do actually supply now a bag of dried flowers, so with the beautiful rosebuds and the eucalyptus and the rose petals, so you can make a lovely display on the top of the candle, which makes it also very unique and really pretty as well, especially this time of year, coming into the summertime. It's a wonderful time to decorate and use the lovely colours. So what I've done today is I've just taken a candle that has already set. I'll move this one out of the way where you can see. This one had already set, and then I've just poured a tiny bit on top so that you can then dress the candle on the top without it sinking down. So if you take some of the rosebuds, like so, and with dressing the candle with the dried flowers on the top, what we recommend is that you keep the flowers around the edge of your candle away from the wick. So you can just literally pop them in, and I'm just going to go right the way around. You just literally just drop them inside. It's really easy. You can pop the eucalyptus in there. You can get really creative with it. And they will just set securely. Let's do another eucalyptus there. As you can see, it's very, very easy to just decorate all the way around, so it looks really, really pretty. And in the kit, you get the pink rosebuds, you get some golden rosebuds, you have the lovely blue corn, you get lovely pink, 2 shades of pink rose petals. So you can just dress them as you want. I mean, I'm just putting them on here really quickly just to show you the kind of thing you can actually do and how easy it is to do. But you can take your time and dress it really nicely. You can also, if you want to, when the wax is melted like so, you can take just a handful and just literally drop them in. And take your stirrer and you can just pop them so that they go down. And then as the candle burns, you'll see lovely little petals all the way through. And that's just a couple of ideas on how to dress the top of your candle to make it extra special and to make it really look so pretty. And when they burn lovely. You just, when that's set, just cut your wick about just under 1 centimetre at the top, So it's similar to this, and they will burn for a long, long time and smell amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please do let us know, and enjoy. I hope you enjoy your kits, and thank you for watching.